great pleasure in presenting to you Brothers Michelle Adolfo, who has been elected this body to be its master.
Worshipful brother, hearing no objection, I shall most cheerfully proceed to install you in a dignified and honorable position with which the separation of your brethren have told you, not doubting that the dignity of the... You heard the Master in his assent to support and defend the ancient charges and regulation of free and accepted Masons. You also made the same pledges and promises. Elemental power. In the hand of the Master, you may be...
Yeah, the worshipful master of all judge, number 89.
Brigadier 1288 of Brigadier Sicily, wish you the prosperous New Year, Masonic year, and wish you the best. Always.
On behalf of Lemon Girl. Tatayo na si Kuya.
Easy.
Worshipful Master, in behalf of Pagong Ako, Kuyang Pilipinas, look. So we congratulate you on your accession to the East, and we wish you a fruitful Masonic year. Look.
Ikaw na, Kuya. Si Kuya na.
Hello, good evening, everybody. Worshipful Master, Rising Time Lodge Number 151, elected officers, distinguished guests, and past masters, and very worshipful sirs. I'm delivering a message from our Grand Lodge of the Philippines Grand Master, Don Wickerty. In behalf of the brethren within grand jurisdiction of the most worshipful Grand Lodge of the Free and Accepted Masons of the Philippines, I extend my heartfelt greetings to each one of you in this joyous occasion in your installation of elected and appointed officers of the Lodge. Ensuing Masonic year, as we gather to witness the passing of the Lodge leadership to the newly installed officers, let us reflect upon our present theme for this Grand Lodge year. Freemasons all together building temple within the hearts of men. Such theme calls upon each brother to recognize the sacred duty. I now declare this lodge is closed.
Hi, worshipful. There's your speech. Hey, speech, right?
So thank you. Okay lang umiyak.
Tissue,
We
please.
have lots of stuff. So, I was thinking on last night, but I don't know, because I'm nervous. I forgot everything. Only thing I could say is thank you right now. But first of all, I want to thank God Almighty for giving me blessings, for sharing this event with all the people over here, families, friends, brethren. Really appreciate you guys coming in here. Thank you, and please do enjoy that we have right now. As a Master of Rising Sun Lodge 151, I promise you guys that we'll continue the harmony that we build in with 151, not just with the brethren, but also with the family that we have over here. We'll also encourage other brethren from other lodge that's here in Japan that we have any events, please do help us out, because as we are together, we can build more prosperous year for this Masonic event, and also we can help more people within our area and also in the Philippines. Right. Thank you.
That's your speech?
More.
Worshipful Master, I know you invited me to be a guest speaker, but I got something at least. Well, I've known Worshipful Master in Adolfo when I checked in to HSC 12, and he was on the Reagan. He was the secretary for Reagan Travelers, and there I saw his passion to the craft and how amazing he is. He's always been with me until he started working for me at HSC 12, and he had no choice due to affiliate with Rising Sun Lodge Masonic. That's number 151. By the way, he's Southwest, so he's from Grand Lodge, California. Who's all the Southwest out there? I know there's somebody out there. So, brothers, you guys made a good brother right here. You won't be here in front of us without Southwest Lodge 283, right? Am I right? See. Well, this is my speech. Why become a Mason? Can somebody tell me why we become Masons? Not anybody.
Free drinks.
Free drinks?
We can be look cool.
Alright, look cool? Okay, I take that.
M&M on card.
M&M's on cars. How about lapel pins? We'll get the most lapel pins out here. Where's RP at?
Oh!
Masonry offers the opportunity to make each man better through its teachings. It's Masonic association in philosophy that has served the social needs of man for centuries by promoting 1. Tradition. When you become a Mason, you become part of ancient tradition that spans centuries. From the original stonemasons that produced some of the most majestic architectural wonders of Europe to modern day Masons who participate in numerous charitable foundations. You will feel connected to a vital, growing and spiritual uplifting organization of moral men. 2. Self-improvement. Learning portion of the ritual and participating in the degrees stimulates the mind and coupled with communities, work, and lodge management, presenting the opportunity to develop leadership and organizational skills, build self-discipline through commitment, poise, and self-confidence, and strengthen presentation and public speaking proficiencies. 3. Sense of accomplishment. Participating in large projects. You guys know Rising Sun Lodge 151, we're always active in doing charitable events, local and back in the Philippines. Be they charitable or social in nature, provides the opportunity to contribute, work with others, and enjoy the success of efforts well expended. Fellowship. I think that's why everybody joined Masonry, right? Fellowship belonging to a like-minded group. The modern work environment has reduced or eliminated social association with co-workers. Joining with lodge members in a fraternal atmosphere can substitute for that former workplace fellowship's loss. A break from the work-a-day routine. Masonry brings together in lodge men of diverse background, where the daily pressures of career can be left outside the door, and where the fellowship is a common theme. These attributes are summarized in the tenets, the fundamental principle of ancient Freemasonry. And those are what? What are the brass tenets? What are the tenets of Freemasonry? Brotherly love, relief, and truth. If these values address your needs, Masonries welcome you. Thank you, Worshipful Master Dinadova. Thank you for making me your guest speaker for tonight, and at the same time, your IO. I don't know what else I can do. But thank you. It's been my pleasure. So I'll be your MC. Our immediate past master is not here. Worshipful brother Jed Bantugan is currently deployed with USS Dewey. So we have something to present him. So we'll call upon his significant others, Sister John Can
John,
you,
John.
Brother Christian, can you escort Sister John
Ay, ikaw na.
to the east, please?
Ah, siya na.
Face the crowd. This is worshipful brother Jed Bantugan's significant others.
One of
One of them, I think? No. One and only.
Patay.
Also, on behalf of Rising Sun Lodge 151, a plaque for his tenure as a worshipful master. And I guess you're gonna receive his past master apron since he's not here. I think she should put it on, right? And last but not the least, this is from Dr. Philemon C. Aguilar, Masonic Lodge number 332, from Worshipful Master John Severino. Wait, hold on.
One more.
Not done yet. We have one more. Right here. Worshipful Masters Medal Appreciation to Worshipful Master Jed Bantugan of Rising Sun Lodge, Masonic Lodge number 151. You are representing Worshipful Master Jed Bantugan.
Speech.
Alright, annually we have a Master Mason of the Year. So, Worshipful Brother Jed Bantugan had to present this plaque of appreciation to Rising Sun Masonic number 151 Mason of the Year for Masonic year 2023. Brother dun, 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 Ian Patubo, front and center. Yeah, of course, there's going to be a speech for this one. It's not only me talking. Hey, hold on, where are you going? Speech.
I just want to say thank you and let's get drunk tonight. Thank you, veteran.
Alright, worshipful, what else? Am I gonna run your program or this is your program? Worshipful, the floor is yours.
Plaques for our installing officer and our master of ceremony. We start with Brother Worshipful Ramon. Sir, thank you.
Speech.
Trying to avoid the mic.
Also from my idol, my mentor, my boss from before, installing officer, everything is like one-man team. I would like to give you a track. Thank you for everything. And hopefully I don't get stressed out giving me guidance, and not just to me, but to all the brethren. Doing what you do. Helping out that Thank you.
Leader, what's next? Leader?
That being said, please, yeah.
Bibigay na lang. Thank you, thank you.
Di mo naman dinahan-dahan, binigla mo naman.
Ganun talaga. Lapit naman.
Mason, let's go! Ay, ko ba daw siya? Pakit. Let's go!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How long ago was that? Not 3 years ago.
Thank you.
50.
Just one, thank you. Just one. Thank you. Oh, salad. Maybe later. Okay. I guess. Ikaw, kukuha ka ba?
We have Very Worshipful Dave Ingram. What year? 1996. Right before I joined the Navy, 1997. And our youngest, Master Mason. Chuck, where you at? Brother Chuck. When you were raised?
2023.
On what?
December.
Who's guarding the gates? Say it. Who did it? Who?
Professor ko daw si Secretary.
To you. Tubo. And also the president for PLM, Yokosuka. Alright, so for all the brethren who's not a turtle yet, if you want to be one, alright, you guys know the officers.
Get ready.
Get ready. Alright, summer is around the corner. We get some wet and wild. Alright, who's...